Hello friends, my name is Subham Kumar. Today I am going to presentation my HTML project titled Submit Feedback. My title Submit Feedback. This, this project is a simple feedback form web page create using HTML5. The main purpose of is this project is collect user feedback in organized and user-friendly way. The web page follow the basic HTML structure which include doc type, HTML header, meta character, UTF, meta name, viewport responsive, connect with device with initialize skill handed. Title Title submit feedback. Head tag. Closing head tag. My and and body tag. The head section content metadata such as character encoding, viewport setting for responsive design. And the title of the web page which appear on the browser tab all the top of the page. A navigation for a create using nav tag UL order list item anchor tag and it help user navigation to different page like home profile course feedback about content connect. The main the main heading submit feedback. The main heading H1 submit feedback. Blue the heading a paragraph. We could love to hear you truth in paragraph tag. Explain the purpose of feedback form. The feedback form is created using the form tag. Form tag. Inside the form, different input element are used to collect user information. The name field provide to the name field provide to enter the username, the email field user type email attribute type for attribute, the feedback type section user section drop down list menu allowed you to choice option such as suggestion, bug report, complaint or other. The rating section use radio input type radio button so that user select on one option such as poor, average, good or excellent. The feedback message section user a test area Test area. Tag allow user to enter dedication feedback. An option phone number field include using the type tell input checkbox. Provide user allow at the end of the form to button. U2 button. A submit button to submit the feedback. A reset button to clear the form. A horizontal line spread the form. The footer. The footer section content copyright information using the footer tag. And my project is complete. Home, profile, about, about section, course, feedback form, select option, a response fee. My project is complete.